Hello guys and welcome back to Eiffel Garage. Today we will start on the Mercedes. So for this video we will take it out and clean it off and let's see what we can do with the engine. So let's begin this video. So here's how dirty the car is. Let's see how stuck it is. We probably have to polish this car later, but yeah, we'll give it a good wash and we will see later how it is. Okay, so I've done the left side of the car. As you can see, it's pretty stuck here. I have to probably use something stronger to get all the dirt off. But yeah, it's pretty rough. The paint is pretty bad also. As you can see here, this will not go away. But I think we can polish this up. And if you have a look here on the hood, you can see how dirty it actually is, and also on the roof. So I will do my best to get everything away, but yeah, we will see what the end result will be. So yeah, let's do this. If we have a closer look here on the hood, you can see that I got this a bit cleaner than the side panel. It's because I used some pre-wash here, and I think I got all the oil and fats away from the paint. So I will do the rest of the car like that, and hopefully it will be a better result. But before that, we will open the hood and take a look at the engine. Here we have it, the diesel. And what we'll do now is just clean this off, and when everything is clean we can take a closer look on this engine. But here we have it anyways. It's looking pretty good actually. I don't see anything obviously missing here, so we'll probably get this running easy. But here we have it, the end result. It's kind of okay. It's not the best, but yeah, it will do. I will polish this up later so it will look better when I'm done. But this is all I can do for now because it's starting to rain. So let's take it back in.
I'm talking way too loud, and if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team.
And there we go, now we're inside again. So the outside is done for now. We will probably polish this up later, but it will do for now. It's actually kind of good. It's not the best, but it's okay. And now it's time for the inside. And as you maybe noticed earlier in the video, we have a lot of shit in here. So we will take everything out and yeah, clean it as good as we can, and we can check the condition of the seats and the interior. And I think that all the interior floor mats or carpets, I think we have all of them in the trunk. So yeah, let's pick everything out and start cleaning.
Floating on my wave, I don't care what you say, 'cause really either way, I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that.
I can definitely say that there have been rats in here, but I don't think the interior is that bad actually. I noticed some traces of rats here, but yeah, I don't know. I have to take everything out and see what happens, but first of all, let's clean this out.
They be hating on me cause they see I'm gifted. It's all for the soul, your shit 3D printed. I been doing me like I got a blank check. I been decking shade for the love and respect. Wanna touch stage, cross seas on me, no drama, more flights next year's looking lit. I'm laid up in somebody's grass, I'm burning the gas to my last breath. Life is so fragile, enjoying the roses so high you can't see me, I'm seated. She wanna beat me, I'm trying to do Fiji, I live on the island alone. I'm trying to be one with my aura before I allow your soul.
I don't care what you say, 'cause really either way, I'ma do it like that. 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 Yeah, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that.
Yeah, I think she want more than a flame. Want me to give her that moonlight. Everything not what it seems.
Here we have it, the inside of the Mercedes. We have to do something about the steering wheel here, but I think that will be no problem. It's actually just wrapped, so I think I can redo that. And look at here. It's the original Mercedes badge for the, I think it's for the hood actually, but it looks different from how it should be. I will check this out and see if it fits. Oh my fucking god, guys. It's not an automatic, it's actually manual. I didn't know that. That changes everything actually. But okay. Okay, so this is not an automatic, this is a manual transmission with a steering wheel gear shifter. So yeah. Here we go. You see, it's still pretty dirty in here, so we have to clean this out and take care of all these small things like cassette bands and all the other trash, and see if we find something interesting. Oh yeah, we have a glove box here as well. Let's see if we can open it. I don't know actually how to open this one. Okay, here we go. And what do we have here? The owner manual and some lights. Also a screwdriver and some connectors of some sort, and also some more. Is it? Yeah, it's fuses. It's good to know. I also have an ashtray. You need to have one of those in a 60s car, and a radio, and don't know if we have a cassette player here. I don't know. Maybe underneath, no? Maybe I find something later, but we'll go through everything when it's time to. So the door here is done. I gone through this 2 times with the leather cleaner and the 1 time with leather conditioner, and this one is not leather, so I will do something else with that, but otherwise I think the end result is pretty good. Now I just got the rest of the car to do, so I'll be back when I'm done. And here is the end result. I think it looks much better than when I started. It's a bit cleaner. I just have a stain on this back seat I have to take care of. Otherwise it's pretty good. Okay, so this video is over for now. In the next one we will take care of the engine. And I think there will be no problem because I already turned it around a little bit. By hand though, by hand. So in the next one we will bring in a specialist on these kinds of cars, and hopefully we can start this engine. And probably we can take it for a test drive as well. So I see you in the next one. Please like, subscribe and share this video, and take care.